put the city on slam. She get trippy off Zans, lost 21 grams, and she did it on cam. Wasn't no video dance, make my own rules. I really don't pick, I just choose. I don't set this, I just shoot. Shopping is cool, I told her it's BYOB. That means buy your own boobs. Put it on God, he the one that put me on top. Can't be good in the box, gotta move on the op. Never got the move on the drop. Niggas tryna move on the sky, and we move that deep. Tryna run down shit steep. Gotta act a fool with the squad, next city, no sleep. Back to the 713. Spent 10 hours on this flight, man. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying. And they know whenever I land. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got me fucking in the friend. Had a line around my ends. Under in the hems. Why you tryna make amends? What's that smell is heavy sin. Like I dump shit out the wind. Dodging hella sins. I can go back there again. All the thousands of my lives. They can never vilify. You can see my sons. Like the light don't hit the side. In the function in the fry. This is job is not a drive. When they open wide. It's a ride, ride.
Won't do but I can't help it. I love the way you feel. Just got me stuck between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I don't. Tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I got it. Taken by the thought of it, just got me stuck between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I don't. Tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I got it. Taken by the thought of it, and I know this much is true, baby. You have become my sun. I'm so strung out on you, I can barely move, but I like it. Said it's on me calling you. Said it's on me calling you. Said it's all because I never get enough. She's the sweetest stuff. Think of it every second. I can't get nothing done. Only concern is the next time I'm gonna get me some. No, I should stay away from, 'cause
Today has drained me. It is finally time to wash my booty cheeks and go the fuck to bed after a long day of cleaning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ta-ta!